Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today and for joining me in Pootles Advent Countdown. Today I'm sharing my customer thank you gifts that I handmade. So obviously I give a gift as well that's a product gift. But I always make something handmade because, you know, we're in the handmade industry. And this month, with huge help from Jacob, he's my 14-year-old son, everybody is getting one of these gift tags. Now, the gift tags are part of a bundle called Celebrate with Tags, and you've got the tags in there, I'll show you in a second, and then you've got these icons on the front. So it's not just for Christmas because, you know, there's birthday balloons, hearts there, but there are these adorable little mittens, which is what I've stamped on the front. But the other half of the bundle is the die set. So let me scooch those for a second and bring them out. So you've got the mitten outer. You've got two tags and then other bits and bobs and pieces and stuff to go with it as well. So you've got the balloons, you've got banners, candles, all sorts of bits as well. And the two tags that come out, there are two different types. So one is like this, so it's open that way, or you can cut it in half if you wanted to. And the other one folds up to make a little pouch. Now, have I got one here? Yes, I've got one pre-cut. So this folds up to make a little pouch that you could, it's not cut through all that well, this one, but it folds through like that. This is Jacob, bless him, did all of this and he thought he could die cut two at a time. You can't, I'll let you know that much. You can't die cut two at a time. But it's got this little bit here, so you could slide a gift card in there. It folds up. Pop your holes out and you thread your ribbon through, and so it could be a gift card holder, not just a gift tag. So there's a mixture of both. But yeah, he die cut everything for me and I did the stamping and the die cutting, and then my stamping on the front is using the Sweet Gingerbread. This, I just love the font. I think it's so sweet, and it fits onto this punch. I want to say this is called the Lasting Label, but I don't think it is called that. But it's one that's got like little ribbon slots as well. And we made them in 5 different colours. And we went for subtles. So Blushing Bride with matching ribbons. So there's different ribbons. Balmy Blue, Highland Heather, Mint Macaron, and So Saffron. And although the mittens on the front are the same colour, I've got a mixture of ribbons going on, and I've got a mixture of embellishments as well. So this one has got pearls on it, and it's not going to focus. There we go. This one's got pearls on it, whereas this one has got these lovely sort of green faceted gems, and it's got this twinkly ribbon, but this one has got this ribbon. This has got Balmy Blue on it. There's this one, there's this, and there was a lot of die cutting going on. There was loads of die cutting going on, obviously, because there's lots of tags here. And yeah, one of these, one or other of the sizes, either the open one or the fold out one, has gone out to everybody who shopped with me in November. So model it yourself to make your own gift cards, gift tags rather. With the, oh no, that's the one, that's the bundle, or just use it as an extra gift tag. But anyway, yeah, I had a lot of fun making these. Came down a little bit to the wire at the end because I was out of action for probably about 10 days with my ankle and my cold, which you can hear is still going on, and my ankle is still troubling me. But yeah, big thank you to Jacob, who die cut all of the outer parts for me, and actually it was nice to work with him for a change. Normally it's Oliver who helps me out, so it was good to work with Jacob for a change. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.